Hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. As we all enter the new normal, I'm sure all of us are looking for ways by which we can live better and make positive changes in our lives moving forward. For some, changes can be more personal. For example, families and friends can spend more time together or hold more reunions and out-of-town activities to make up for lost time spent during the quarantine. In terms of valuing one's health, I'm sure that there are those who have habits that they need to break. For example, the smokers who are now looking for better options or maybe less risky alternatives to traditional tobacco smoking. If you're one of them, this Tech Pinas video is perfect for you, as I will be talking about the MOK and the MOK Mini heat-not-burn devices, which are said to be better options to usual cigarette smoking. So join me in my quick unboxing and review of these two devices, which are now available at the official MOK store in LazMall and Shopee Mall, as well as in MOK specialty stores in Eastwood Mall, SM North EDSA, MetLife, SM Santa Mesa, and SM Manila. Okay, let's go! Alright, so let's start with MOK. Priced at only 3,490, MOK simply heats tobacco sticks instead of burning them, which minimizes harmful chemicals inhaled by the user. As you know, usual cigarette smoking involves the combustion of paper, tobacco flakes, and sometimes even foam that can really hurt the throat and lungs. In comparison, MOK simply heats cool, heat-not-burn sticks, those that are made specifically for MOK, without actual burning. So the user more or less only inhales the flavor or essence of the packs instead of too much harmful fumes. The official retail package of the MOK Heat Master System is made up of the pocket charger, the holder, the cleaning kit, the micro USB 2.0 charging cable, the instruction manual, and the quick start guide. Design-wise, MOK features a premium matte finish that doesn't only make the charging device and holder easy to hold, but also gives them an air of elegance and luxury. The footprint of the charging device is smaller than most full touchscreen smartphones these days, and it's not that thick, so it can be kept conveniently in a pouch or inside the pocket. The holder, on the other hand, has an elongated form factor that takes on the form of a traditional tobacco stick, which should make puffing on it feel a lot like regular smoking. Okay, so before I show you how to use MOK, I just want to say that this video is not meant to invite non-smokers to smoke, so it's not that. I'm just sharing this information to provide a better option for those who are already smoking cigarettes or the vape users out there who are currently thinking of trying out a heat-not-burn device. Okay? The MOK Heat Master System is actually very easy to use. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that the charging device has enough battery. So for that, all you have to do is to plug it into an electrical outlet via the port here, which is a micro USB 2.0 port, and to just charge it first. So next, you just need to click on the button right there. So that's the first one from the top, to check how much charge is left. There you go. So the next thing I need to do is to open it and to put the holder inside to also charge the holder. So the holder has this flat part which also matches the flat part inside the hole. Okay, so you just put it in, and you push it in, and then you close the lid. And as you can see, none of the bulbs light up, and that only means that my holder already has enough juice. Now, if the charging device continues to charge the holder, then this first light right there will fire up. You may also check the battery life of the holder by long pressing on this button, and if this one lights up, or that's the oblong one or the elongated one lights up, it only means that the holder already has enough juice. Now, if you see this light right there, this one blinking, it means that the device is still charging the holder. Now that we've made sure that the holder already has enough battery, we can already start to use it. So you just need to take it out. So let me just show you the holder up close. So that's how it looks. It has a matte finish. And this is the hole where you need to plug in your cool tobacco stick. And if you look inside, I don't know if you can see it, but inside this hole, there's a metal pin. And that metal pin actually heats up the tobacco flakes. Okay, so now let me show you how to use this. The cool tobacco stick that I'm going to use with my MOK Heat Not Burn device is the cool new wave capsule. So this is an entire rim and this costs 1,200 pesos. And it already has 200 individual sticks. Okay, let me take one out. Okay. Now let me show you how to use the MOK Heat Not Burn holders. So the first thing that you need to do is to put the tobacco stick inside the hole, making sure that the tobacco flake part, or this part right here, is the one that you will put inside and not the foam part. If you can see, the cool tobacco stick has two lines. So this is the first and the second line. So you just need to push the stick only until the first line right there touches the very edge of the holder. Okay, so let's do that. Okay. And there you go. Only until there. Okay, so after putting the stick inside the holder, all you have to do is to long press on this button right there until it lights up, and you will also feel a slight vibration. So that will tell you that the holder is already starting to heat up the stick. And then after 15 seconds, the stick will already be ready for inhalation. Okay, so let's long press on this. Okay, there you go. Alright, so after 15 seconds, you will feel another vibration, and that will tell you that you can already enjoy your tobacco stick. Okay, so again, the MOK Heat Master system is not burning the tobacco stick. Instead, it's just heating up the tobacco flakes, which lets you enjoy the flavor and the essence of the stick without inhaling too many harmful chemicals, like your usual tobacco stick. Okay, so once you're done puffing and you want to remove the stick, all you have to do is to push it in until the second line touches the very rim or the edge of the holder. Okay, so that's how you do it. And then just pull it off. So it's so easy. And then if you want to, you can already charge the holder again using your charging device. So you just push it in, you close the lid. Since we have used the holder, you will see this blinking light which tells you that the charging device is already charging the holder inside. Alright, so again, this is the MOK Heat Not Burn system. And this is a split type device, which means that the charging device and the holder are separate. So now let me show you a smaller 2-in-1 version of this device. For those who prefer a smaller heat not burn device that easily slips in the pocket or in the purse, you might want to check out the MOK Mini, which delivers 12 heating cycles and lets you enjoy 12 cool sticks continuously on a full charge. This one sells for only 2,490 pesos, 1,000 bucks more affordable than the regular version, and it's practically as small as a lighter, so it's really ultra portable. The official MOK Mini retail package includes the 2-in-1 unit itself, the cleaning kit, the USB Type-C charging cable, the MOK Mini user manual, and the MOK Mini quick guide. MOK Mini essentially combines the holder and the charging device of the regular version into a tiny package which I'm sure many consumers will be very attracted to. As you can see, the body of the MOK Mini is made predominantly of polycarbonate, but it does have golden and metallic accents which give it an air of elegance and sophistication. One of the cool features of the MOK Mini is its USB Type-C charging port, which means that it supports the data cable of many new Android smartphones. Usage of the MOK Mini is essentially the same as that of the MOK. Just charge it using the USB Type-C cable and your smartphone's travel charger. And when it has enough juice, just put a cool stick inside the hole on top. Again, with the tobacco part in. Okay, so just put it inside. And then, just make sure that the first line on the stick touches the edge of the hole. So there you go. And then once it's there, all you have to do is triple tap on this capacitive button to turn the device on. And then once it's on, just long press on it. And then you will feel a slight vibration, and that will tell you that the MOK Mini is already starting to heat up the stick. And after 15 seconds, the device will vibrate again, telling you that you can already enjoy the stick. Okay, so removing the stick is the same as doing it on the holder of the MOK. So all you have to do is to just push it in until the second line touches the edge of the hole, and then you just pull it out. Okay, so I'm not yet done enjoying this, but just for this demo, I'm going to show you how it's done. So you just push it in, the second line touches the edge of the hole, and then you pull it off. So that's how you do it. Just like the MOK, what makes the MOK Mini a better or a potentially less risky option compared to regular cigarette smoking is that it simply heats up the tobacco flakes and it doesn't burn the entire stick with the paper and also the foam. And as such, the user will only inhale the flavor or the essence of the packs instead of too much harmful fumes. Now let me show you how to clean the holder of the MOK as well as the MOK Mini using the provided cleaning kit. So this one. So this one is actually composed of this brush as well as the stick for prying off or for removing the gunk inside the holes. Okay, so let me just show you how to use this brush. So all you have to do is to poke it in and to rotate it once it's inside. And with that, you can already remove the flakes that are stuck inside the hole. Okay, so that's also how you do it with the hole of the holder. So you just stick it in, then you rotate it a bit, and then you pull it out. Now, if there's some hard or maybe sticky gunk inside, then you can use the stick for prying them out. So usually they are stuck to the side, so you just use that to take them out. Now I'm sure that some of you are wondering if you can use your traditional tobacco cigarette sticks on the MOK or the MOK Mini. And the answer to that is no. Only cool tobacco sticks are supported by both devices. And these are the variants that are available. So earlier, I showed you the Cool New Wave capsule. So that's this one. And then there's also the Cool Blue Hue. This one. And then finally, you have the Cool Golden Hue. All of these are available at the MOK official store in LazMall as well as in Shopee Mall. And also at the MOK specialty kiosks in the malls that I mentioned earlier. So one rim with 200 sticks costs 1,200 pesos. And actually each rim, if you open the box, has 10 individual packs. So this is how the pack looks, and inside you have 2 smaller packs of 10 for a total of 200 sticks per rim. So that's again 1,200 pesos. To wrap up, I'd say that quitting smoking is obviously the best thing to do as we all face the new normal. However, I understand that it's easier said than done, especially for those who see smoking as a stress reliever or a habit that's just too hard to break? If you're one of those people, know that there are technology companies that are doing their best to make smoking less risky for many of us. One of them is MOK. Alright, so there you have it. That's the MOK and the MOK Mini. So if you have any questions about these two heat-not-burn devices, just leave them in the comments section below. Again, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Bye for now and see you again soon.